In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Printify to Etsy. Before we begin, make sure you're already signed into both your Printify account and your Etsy account in your browser. That will make the whole process smoother and help you avoid extra login prompts or errors while connecting the two platforms. Let's start on the Printify side. First, head over to your Printify store dashboard. This is your main control center inside Printify, where you manage products, orders, and integrations. If you're not already on the dashboard, log into Printify and you should land there automatically. If not, you can usually get there by clicking on My Store or Dashboard in the main navigation menu at the top. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the onboarding section or setup wizard. You should see something like a checklist or a set of steps to complete your store setup. Find the option labeled Step 2, Connect Your Shopify Store. Even though it mentions Shopify, don't worry. This is just the area where Printify manages all sales channel connections. Click on that Step 2, Connect Your Shopify Store option. This will open a setup screen where Printify suggests different platforms you can connect to. Here, you'll see Shopify highlighted, but we're interested in the other options. On this screen, look for a link or button that says See Other Sales Channels. Go ahead and click that. This expands the list of platforms that Printify supports, such as Etsy, WooCommerce, and others. Opening this list is important because Etsy won't appear if you stay on the default Shopify-focused view. Now, in the expanded sales channels list, find Etsy. It should appear with the Etsy logo and a short description. Under Etsy, you'll see a button labeled Connect. Click on that Connect button. This action tells Printify you want to link your Printify account to your Etsy shop so that your products and orders can sync automatically between the two. As soon as you click Connect, a new window or pop-up will appear, taking you over to Etsy's authorization page. Here, Etsy is basically asking for your permission to allow Printify to access your shop information, manage listings, and handle orders on your behalf. Carefully review the permissions listed so you understand what access you're granting. To complete the connection, click on the Grant Access button in that Etsy pop-up. Once you grant access, Etsy and Printify will finish the linking process. After a moment, you should be redirected back to Printify, and you'll see Etsy listed as a connected sales channel. At this point, your Printify account is successfully connected to your Etsy store, and you're ready to start publishing products and automating your print-on-demand workflow.